Hey guys, so in this video, I just wanted to show you how SingleStore MCP Server basically works. Hope you all know what is MCP, Model Context Protocol, that became a huge hit or popular in the end of 2025 because of the standardization procedure that it brings while connecting to the external tools and services and data sources. So through SingleStore MCP Server, you can automate a lot of database operations. So let's see how we can basically do that, right? So this is the documentation of SingleStore MCP Server. You can see the overview and why use MCP Server and what are the SingleStore capabilities and benefits when you start using SingleStore MCP Server. But let's go to the VS Code and start running our MCP Server, that is SingleStore MCP Server. Before that, make sure you have we are using Claude Code Desktop, Claude Desktop basically in our computer to make sure we talk to the SingleStore MCP server and automate our database operations. So make sure you have installed that already. So let me basically quit this and again open it. So okay, so that is done. Let me open it again. So this is my Claude desktop application, which is ready here. Let me minimize that. So before that, we'll install the SingleStore MCP server. It's very easy. It's UVX SingleStore MCP server in it. So once you do that, you will see the server will handle authentication automatically via browser auth and setup complete. You can now use MCP server with your LLM client. The client that we are using is, as we know, Claude Desktop application. Yeah, here it is. It says restart your LLM client to apply the changes. So I just restarted and let's go to the Claude Desktop application and see the uh, the the MCP servers connected. So if you click the plus button, you can see the MCP server connected, right? From MCP server, there's some web search. This is the web search tool that see that from SingleStore MCP server. So s- SingleStore MCP server is enabled, but let's ask like all MCP servers connected. Let's see how it answers. I can see that I have access to SingleStore MCP server with various tools for managing SingleStore database and workspaces. Let me show you what's available. So you can do all these operations using SingleStore MCP server. Cool. So let me ask like what all databases are connected. So let me check what databases and workspaces you have access to in SingleStore. So let me allow it once and we'll get those information automatically allowing everything is getting. I need to select an organization first. That's true. Allow. So it will give me, I can see you have access to three organizations, S2DB Marketing, Pavela's organization, S2DB live site and support. So let me ask like, uh, are there any databases in Pavela's organization? So this is how you can basically talk to your database, do all the operations, carry out all the operations automatically using SingleStore MCP server. You can also create a notebook. Let's see how this works. So let me allow it once. Good. Now let me check for workspace groups and start a workspace in this organization. Yeah, that's true. Once you get the organization name, you need to check the workspace to find the databases. So it is now listing the starter workspaces. There may be, there may not be. Based on the results, Power Bella's organization currently has 0 workspaces. That's right. That's right. That's right. So let me ask, like, what about this? How many databases are there? Hmm, let me, yeah, allow it once. So now it should give me the answer. Great, I found 6 workspace groups. Now let me check the workspace in each group to count the database. So I'll check each workspace group. Allow, want to allow, you can also deny that, right? So that's how you can basically talk to your database, talk to your workspaces, and yeah, automate all the database operations. So it is going to each workspace and finding the databases. So it'll go, it'll ask a permission and it'll go and it'll start. But let me deny this and then let me ask from so total workspaces, 10 workspaces across 6 workspace groups, breakdown by workspace group, production. So yeah, right, yeah. So can you create a notebook? Can you create a notebook for me? Let me ask, like, if absolutely I can create a notebook for you. Let me help you with that, right? It's for maybe, yeah, data analysis. I like to use it for data analysis. Okay, great. I'll create a data analysis notebook for you. Yep. So it is creating that data analysis notebook inside our single store notebook. We'll allow that to create a file. Perfect. I have created a comprehensive data analysis notebook for you. The notebook includes all these things. The notebook has been created at this particular space location. So we just created a data analysis notebook with all the code ready. So it is now asking me to, should I upload this notebook somewhere? Should I modify or create a scheduled job so that it can run automatically? So I said, sure, please upload it to Power BI Workspace 1 because this is my workspace. So it is saying I'll upload the notebook for you. However, I need to clarify that notebooks are uploaded to either shared or personal space in SingleStore, not directly to a specific workspace. The workspace, Power BI Workspace 1 is where the notebook will connect to run queries. Let me upload. So it is asking me to allow it. I'm allowing, and the notebook should be uploaded to my workspace. So excellent. Your data analysis work notebook has been successfully uploaded. A location where it is, this is where it is uploaded, and the name is data analysis notebook. So let's go to my single store dashboard and see if it is actually uploaded, right? So let's see that. Let's go. This is my single store dashboard. This is my Power BI Workspace 1. I told the single store MCP server to add my data analysis notebook here. So let's go to editor. uh, Let's go to um, let's go to external. Yep, it's here. Data analysis notebook. Data analysis notebook. This notebook is designed for data analysis using SingleStore. It includes sections for connecting to your database, exploring data, performing analysis, and visualizing results. How cool is this, right? So SingleStore has a inbuilt notebook feature. You can um, to do data analysis, to do create simple AI applications, RAG applications, and yeah, this is what it is. Data visualization, everything is here. So you can just go click run and you can modify this. You can connect your database, do a lot of data visualization, data analysis, and so many things. So all the single store MCP server details and how to start, everything is provided in this document. So I'll attach this document in the description of this video so that you can go through and try to run single store MCP server, and yeah, have fun. Thanks.